This video we will see the product review of boAt Rockerz 255Z Plus earphone. The boAt Rockerz 255Z Plus is a Bluetooth in-ear neckband and it has impressive features and the price is affordable price. This earphone is designed for everyday use and this neckband boasts AI-ENX technology for crystal clear calls, spatial audio for an immersive listening experience, and it has exceptional battery life up to 50 hours. If you want to buy this product, you can find the link in this video description. This earphone has cutting edge features for superior audio. This earphone supports AI-ENX technology. Because of that, clarity of the call is very good. Because of AI-ENX technology, it reduces background noise, which ensures your voice is heard loud and clear. This earphone supports spatial audio, the spatial audio feature that enhances the audio experience by creating a more immersive 3D sound quality. This earphone supports up to 50 hours playback. You can enjoy uninterrupted listening pleasure with an impressive battery life up to 50 hours playback on a single charge. And it is perfect for long journeys or extended use. Seamless connectivity and control. This earphone supports magnetic power buds. The magnetic power buds that automatically turn on when separated and automatically turn off when joined, which makes it effortless to manage your audio. This earphone supports dual pairing, meaning you can connect to two devices simultaneously. Example, you can connect to your phone and a laptop simultaneously. And dual pairing allowing you to seamlessly switch between devices without the hassle of repairing. This earphone supports Google Fast Pair. Because of that, you can experience quick and hassle-free pairing with Android devices. And it ensures you are connected in seconds. When you do unbox, you will see boAt Rockerz 255Z Plus neckband, USB charging cable, multiple ear tips for different ear sizes, user manual, and warranty card. This earphone has exceptional battery life for extended use. Playback time is up to 50 hours on a single charge. Charging port is USB-C for fast charging. Charging time is 1.5 hours for full charge. This earphone supports Bluetooth version 5.3. Range it supports is 10 meters. It supports beast mode, which ensures low latency for gaming. This earphone has IPX4 water resistance, which protects against sweat and splashes, making it suitable for workouts. This earphone has magnetic buds. When you clip together, it will turn off the earphone, which conserving the power. This earphone supports boAt Hearables app. Now we will see the advantages of choosing boAt Rockerz 255Z Plus. Long battery life, 50 hours of playtime, which is ideal for extended listening. Quick pairing. Google Fast Pair makes pairing simple and instant. Dual pairing. Easily connect to two devices at once. AI-ENX technology. Clearer calls, especially in noisy environments. This earphone supports gaming mode or beast mode, which reduces latency, making it ideal for gaming or watching videos. This earphone supports IPX4 water resistance, which is perfect for workouts or outdoor use. This earphone has magnetic power buds, which is convenient way to conserve battery power. Now we will see areas where the boAt Rockerz 255Z Plus could improve. This earphone has no ANC, which is nothing but active noise cancellation. This earphone has limited water resistance. It has only splash resistant, so it cannot be fully submerged or used in heavy rain. This earphone does not support LDAC or aptX, which is advanced audio codecs for high definition sound quality. The build quality is mostly plastic, which may not feel premium to some users. In India, the price is around 1299. In US, the price is approximately $16. Now we will see the customer's feedback. Clear voice calls. User appreciate the clarity during phone calls, especially with AANX technology. Battery life. Many users praise the 50 hours playback time, which lasts for days with moderate use. Magnetic buds. People find the auto on or off feature handy and power saving. Dual pairing. Users love the ability to switch between two devices easily. Comfort. The lightweight neckband is comfortable for long periods of wear. Sound quality. Good audio, especially with spatial audio. Now we will see the final verdict. The boAt Rockerz 255Z Plus is a feature-packed Bluetooth neckband offering excellent value for its price. With long battery life, low latency beast mode, and clear voice calls, it is perfect for gaming, calls, and everyday use. While it lacks advanced water protection or audio codecs, it makes up for it with convenience, comfort, and affordability. At around 1299 rupees or $16, it is a solid choice for budget conscious users seeking great performance.